Durga Puja, a 10-day celebration in West Bengal, is more than just a festival. It's a UNESCO recognized cultural legacy. In part 2 of my India journey, I'm taking you through my Durga Puja experience. Each Durga Puja pandal is a temporary world of its own. Built only for these 10 days, these structures are designed by artists, architects, and craftsmen who spend months bringing an idea to life. For visitors seeing this for the first time, a pandal is not just a shrine, it's an art installation, a story, sometimes even a social message. From the towering facades to intricate details, everything you see will disappear once the festival ends. This is what makes Durga Puja so special, a celebration where devotion, creativity, and community come together, transforming the city into an open air art gallery just for 10 unforgettable days. At the heart of every pandal stands Mother Durga returning home with her children Lakshmi, Saraswati, Kartik, and Ganesha. Though the story remains the same, every pandal imagines her differently. Each face, each expression, each form reflects the vision of the artist who created her. Durga Puja is alive at every hour of the day. From the glowing decorations to moving rides, the celebration never stands still. Families gather, children laugh, and familiar faces move together through crowds, turning simple moments into memories. Between lights, rides, and shared smiles, puja becomes more than something you see. It's something you feel. For these 10 days, the city moves to one rhythm celebration and togetherness. Durga Puja is incomplete without its flavors. From crispy fuchka on busy streets to the sweetness Bengal is famous for, every bite is a part of celebration. Shared with family, eaten between pandal hoppings, these tastes carry memories of home, tradition, and togetherness, as much as part of puja as the lights and idols themselves. As the Durga Puja journey comes to an end, we carry with us the light, the art, the flavors, and the joy of these 10 magical days. Thank you for joining me on this part of my India journey. Stay tuned for part 3 where the celebration continues, and don't forget to subscribe to Enchanting Endeavors to share more memories together.